too whippy. But whippy's not necessarily bad if you can time it. You can make a lot of money pretty quick, but we'll see here. We got 20 seconds to bell. I feel a little nervous, a little bit of nervousness here, but we'll see if Poly or SMFL can get up to 8. Here we go. Look at how high it filled. Yeah, this is not very fun. Halt up is. Are you kidding me? Halt up 750. I gotta cut that. This is exactly my worst fear. It's a choppy mess. That's weird. I'm not so sure about this one right now. Maybe today is just not the day for anything. Holy crap. Everything is just gone. Like what the Polly. Come on. Oh, I probably shouldn't have done that. Hold up 63. I bought at a bad time. It's kind of the similar to SMFL with this one. Shaky. And with the leading gapper failing, it's not the best. It's like what the heck? What the heck is going on? It's diverted attention. That's what it is. Are you kidding me? I gotta cut it. Lost it all. I got sucked into that. I'm not super impressed with the price action here, boys. Like, why didn't that break there? That's gonna fail. Not. It's not so great. Oh wow. 796. I messed up on this. I just feel so shaky. You know, a lot of dips within the rips are kind of working on this, surprisingly. What's the pre-market high? 820. Oh my gosh. Wow. Good morning. I gotta be careful about my share size at this point. Polly. Why, bro? Pre-market high is 817 or 820. I'm not a fan of the price action. And just hold it for 820 break. Really? I guess I should have just taken my profit. I thought we would break 820. Should have known better and that this market was garbo. I don't know. I might just like forget this one and come back to this. What's this? Bottoming tail? No. This one's not looking so good either. It might rebound. Freaking heck, bro. What? Down 170 bucks? We're like, what? This is brutal, this one. You know, some people might enjoy it. And that's just the thing. You got to find the stock that works for you. Right now, these ones are not ones that are really giving me a whole lot of trust. I really had higher hopes for today than this. See, 750 to, you know, this thing's got potential, but 5-minute charts kind of falling apart a little bit. What the heck? Stay relaxed. Stay relaxed. All down on this 696. We did not break 820, which was a key level. So maybe wait for a little pullback here or something of the like. Wow. I'm gonna cut it because that was a $400 loss there for a second. I got to be better about my entries. I don't know. Like there's nothing here that's really making me want to buy. All right. I think I've given that one enough time. Let's see if we get a false breakdown here on this one. A little bit of a bottoming tail here. I'm getting too scared to hit the buy button on this. What the? We're just gonna cut it. Polly just went into a halt down. Wow. No surprise. Today there's just clearly a disconnect. It's just normal. It's just normal, guys. Would you say NIV? NIVF. I don't like the price, but patterns look decent. This I should have bought. I should have held. Excuse me. Ah. It's just a little bit like it's just a little bit like I'm reading Greek or French. How does that saying go? It's just this might go here, but I can't. I don't want to take the risk. This might fly through VWAP. My girl left her frankincense here, so I'm trying to sniff it, see if it makes things better. I'm down $200 right now. It's not even that bad. A little bit of buying. Trying to see if we get a reversal and can we time it. Mm. Watching it. What? I'm guessing this was a mistake. Gotta cut it. Yeah, that was a mistake. I rushed into that without a pattern. Yeah, that's stupid. Yeah, I gotta be real careful now. Because now I'm triggered. Oh, look at that. Back up it goes. There we go. Come on, buyers. Are you kidding me? I had to cut that. I should have just taken the profit that I had. Usually that continues. Great example of why we're not trusting stuff today. That could have been an $800 win. I took it for much less on this dip we got. What? Go get them. Go to the store and go get them. What do you mean they're gone? Yeah. That's what I thought. This looks like it's going to go. That bid does not hold worth a shit. Yeah. Garbage. I mean, that is garbage. Genuine garbage right there. Genuine garbage. SMFL. Wow. Garbage. Poly. Poly isn't really much more impressive. So that's too bad. Luckily, yesterday, $5,600. It's going to help carry through these periods where we're not making money. And if you don't have a cushion, then there's nothing you can do. You're not going to be able to force money out of the market today. So that's where the discipline is. Okay. What's the float on this thing? 4 million. What's the daily chart? We might just have to go to this one. I mean, it's just, and I don't want to, but it's got a pretty clean looking daily chart with a high of about 190. Okay, what's the high here for sure? High. Come on, give me the high. Give me the high. 189. Okay. 190 is yesterday's high on this one, so that's a nice clear level to watch. I'm also keeping a half eye on Poly, although it doesn't look good. So I'm going to come back to this. 190. Are we going to get a run to 189? If we could do that with 10,000 shares, get up 1,000 on this one. I'm gonna wait here for this pullback to kind of develop. Seller holding it here. 189 is the target. Shoot. I'm offloading. I offloaded. Again, a similar thing to what we had on SMFL, where it looks like we're going to get the next candle to pop a little bit more, and then it stalls out. I'm selling for 175, 175. I could have gotten a couple more pennies. That's just okay. AGBA. We've traded this one before. We got a little bit of a W pattern here. I don't like that we can't break through that seller. The W pattern here. Probably gonna take another big loss on this. No surprise. I shouldn't be on this one. This is too bad. Oh, sweet. Yes. I'm cutting it before it goes red on me. Like, frick, I'm cutting that before it goes red. That gets me back to break even on the day. Ideally, I would have held for this move right here. But look at that. Look at that. You think it's going to go at double top and bid. Oh. Clearly, I'm disturbed. This market's got me disturbed mentally. Let's go back to 4 because this one had really another good dip there that I could have got. SMFL, I am having a hard time trusting at this point. We still have that 189 level on this that I like. 5 minutes still alive. 1 minute's just a little bit of a mess. I don't know. Should I buy this dip? Probably not. Sure enough, no. Sure enough, no. Yeah. Let's watch this one for a false breakdown. This is the one I made a lot of money on yesterday, so trying to see if we get a reversal on this AGBA. 5 minute could set up a dub pattern. Today is not it. I'm fully convinced now. You know, first 10 minutes, I'm like, okay, things might get better. Now I'm fully convinced that today is just not the day. AGBA likes to go on runs. So if we could catch a pivot and then hold it with 20,000 shares, and it pops up 10 cents, we could get something. That might be better than trying to chase Pauly all over the place. But again, this is a bearish pattern by nature. We're just looking to see if it starts to reverse against the sellers. I shouldn't be explaining this stuff for free. Oh well. So testing a double bottom here. It's not looking so great. Oh. I added kind of a lot there, hoping for a double bottom trade. There we go. There we go. Now we're talking. This one likes to grind. Big seller popped up there. I'm gonna unload that. I have to unload that. That just stalled right there. I wish I could have held it. Pauly coming back up. Okay. I'm going from stock to stock. Like I'm just like, show me a pattern going here. I better stay with this one because we could see something like that, or we could see a big flush. This would be a perfect day for one of these to trap bulls and then flush. But we're watching it again. Pauly is coming back up, and we do need to watch that one. But that's with it being said that Pauly's price action is kind of all over the place a little bit. So I'm just going to watch AGBA for a second. If it flushes out, we'll walk away. Yeah, that bid drops out like no tomorrow. My gut is telling me to stay with AGBA for this trade that looks pretty good. I dumped it all out right there. I was hoping that would have accelerated more, and it did not. Boo-hoo, farmer. That's right. Boo-hoo is right. Wow. I lost 9 cents on that, 180 bucks. See exactly why I'm not trading that garbage. This one's probably going to grind for a while. This is one where I'm going to probably wish I held. At least this one has a little bit of predictability. You know, it's a little cheaper. Like, what the? What the? Okay, I'm done with this one. Holy crap, I'm done with that one. Walking away from that one. That one's Garbo. Oh my gosh, that's Garbo. I like the 5-minute on this for the dub pattern. Got a 1-minute pullback here. It's fine. See if buyers come in here. I'll do a test order. That did not work. It's coming down. I'm up 1,100 bucks on the day. But it's not been easy. Not this morning. It hasn't been easy. Watch this. If this turns into a green bottoming tail, I don't think it's good. Probably. AGBA. Yeah, that's pretty much the end of this, I think. Unless this rips back up with velocity. No. Bye-bye. Everybody wave bye to AGBA. Bye-bye. Nice knowing you. We'll catch you later. It's kind of sad. I feel bad. This one I hardly can stand. This one I can hardly can stand. This one's a little bit better, but still. We could go for another bottom pivot here. Yeah, Pauly, I feel like is just going to take your money. You guys, if you want to go to Pauly, if you think I'm missing out on Pauly, then go to Pauly. But don't come crying to me when you get destroyed. Trying to go for a bottom pivot here and see if we can get a run up. Mm. 72 likes already, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Not adding to it. Come on, Bill. I'll just take a penny. Oh. It's coming back up, but very slowly. What garbage? Sizu. Ow, didn't that one just took a huge dump. Sizu. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. What's the resumption gonna be on this? It's not loading. Can trade 0. Oh man. Ryan's been scalping on the way up. By golly, it is. And by golly, NIVF is grinding up. But against much resistance. I don't know. I don't know. What do we do? What do we do? There's nothing to do. Surprisingly, this broke through. Had a nice pop there to 65. Wow, I really had the right idea on this. I don't know with the way the market is, halt resumption on this just doesn't seem like a good idea. But we'll watch it. It's gonna resume here in about a minute. Sees you. I'm trying to get a halt resumption price on it, and I'm not getting one. I'm not getting one. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I got some walnuts. Maybe I should eat some walnuts. I don't know. NIVF. What the heck? There we go. 20 seconds. I don't think I'm going to touch it. Well, I had $200. There was some great dips within the rips there. I should have made more. Oh wow. Yeah, I went to the halt level. Ah, shoot. Maybe I need to size up on this one. I don't know. It's super extended. And on a day like this, we could see some pretty nasty flushes. So I might stay out of it for now. I got 200 on it. That's, something at least. NIVF I really did come back up pretty nicely. Halt down. Potential here. Halt down. Potential here. I would get out if you can. Yeah, I took a few trades. I'm like, yeah, this thing's gonna come down. Wow, nice bottom bounce here. That could have been a good trade. That could have been a really good trade there. Wow, I could have made good money on that one. I was too busy sucked into Sizu. Yeah, Oscar's just a little too risky. Everything today has a little heightened level of risk. You have to be aware of that. Okay, I gotta watch this one. And get back some profit on this one. Wow, I took a $120 loss there. This is not that great. Oh, I missed it again, bro. What the heck am I doing? AGBA. Wow, what a nice pivot. 229 back up to 250. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And I think I missed it, all of it. So we can watch it to see if we get another trade. This thing's fighting. It looks like we might get a run to high day. Shoot. I lost it all. Lost 300 bucks. That sucks. I think that was probably a little too ambitious to think we'd rip through that level. I maybe shouldn't have taken that many shares on that. Garbage. I can never see the halt resumption on Sizu. Oh, I wish I had my 300 bucks back. 400 bucks on this one. I think it's kind of established a pretty strong line of resistance up there. I still think this thing is very much in play, but we're in a consolidation period here. I don't know. Mm. Poopy. Poopy day out there. I don't trust this. I missed AGBA. Sizu. Don't trust it. Don't want to deal with it. Let's go to 15-minute on IVF. Yeah. And we got the 188 level. Yeah, this could be good yet. Frick. Wow, what a scummy stock. I did not buy where I should have as a result. I barely did. What are you eating? 180 break. I missed it. Here was the bull flag. I saw it. There's a break of high day. Frick. My life sucks, bro. I gotta get better. How am I missing this?
Where's the bull flag?
Here. We still got 189, but now we're kind of extended. Very risky. Oh, this sucks. It's basically at 189. Break at 189. There we go. There we go. Micro trade, but still very nice. Testing that support a little too aggressively. It's we're extended into resistance here at 2. I bought there like a 56. I was at the start of this entire move. You always got to sit here and distract me. This thing's a bit extended. 2. Yeah, that's possibility here. And IVF haul up 222. Pretty nice buying pressure here. It did bounce 235 back up to 243 with support. Got to cut that as a bigger loss. I guess it wasn't so bad. I got to be over here. Really? Really? Halt up 226. Wow. I have just fumbled the ball twice in a row. Oh, are you kidding me? Wow. I'm giving it all back. It's like 2 cent wins. Maybe this thing heats up. Kind of messed up on this one. That's really sad. Okay, we're gonna have to wait for something. Wow. Let's go back to daily chart. Huh? Man, this thing could get going. Okay. Clearly, I'm not in rhythm here. Don't let go of me. What a thing. What a stock. Yeah, like what the heck? They tried. 95 likes already. Thank you. Just gonna go back to high day. Looks like it. Wow. Wow. See, I should have just held. I should have just held. Mm. 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 Da 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 da. 97 likes. Let's see if we can get to 98. Get to 100. It's getting a little shaky up here. Sure enough, I got stuck in the flush. I knew it. I knew it was gonna be like a literally, what is it? A 1 or 2 penny pop. 1 penny pop. Little rebound here on this one. The light volume, garbage. This feels like it might be the top. You never know. AGBA, could we get a false breakdown? Maybe. Taking a starter. We might get a pullback here. I'm not sure if it's going to be worth trying. May or may not be. What size down? What the heck? This thing's like getting ready to rip. Try to hold this. Let's just see what becomes of it. What the heck? This might squeeze into a halt up. 289 halt up. Let's see what it does. Probably should just take my profit right there. Yeah, too much shake. I'm going to cut it. I think it might still keep going higher though. Yeah, it does. It is. Selling pressure. Pretty decent amount of selling pressure there. Someone just dumped quite a few shares there. There's quite a few shares that just got dumped right there. I gotta get new brakes for my 4Runner. I think Toyota put the cheap brakes on. Those bastards. From the dealership. The Toyota dealership sold me a used 4Runner with the garbage brake pads on. Because Toyota sells two. One is garbage, one is really good. I almost rear-ended somebody the other day. I wasn't paying attention. It was close. I was halfway almost in the other lane trying to avoid it. But my brakes, I'm like, dang, like my brakes are just not stopping. Just notice they're just not stopping the car. And I thought, okay, I'll just take it to the dealership to get it done. But I was like, no, that's too much money. How can I claim to be the trading farmer if I'm not even changing my own brakes? How pathetic. How pathetic. So I'm going to order the brakes on Amazon, put them on myself. I know how to do it. I've done it before. But I was like, if the trading farmer is paying people to put new brakes on his car, then he needs to delete his YouTube channel. We'll give that to all the other sissies. Can't ever do anything original. Yeah. If it's made in Mexico, walk away. If it's made in Japan, buy. Yeah. These brake pads are made in Japan. The other ones are made in America. But the pair made in America is made to be cheap. It's made, they said, to be competitive with, the cheap brake jobs that other shops do. And I suppose when my 4Runner came into the used market, or when they got it, they fixed it up, but they didn't put the nice brake pads in. And that's probably why I almost rear-ended somebody. I should go in there and be like, give me the right brake pads, because I almost freaking crashed. I paid top dollar for this 4Runner. put them on. You know, it's like I took it to the dealership because my audio wasn't working quite right. Well, one of the speakers was blown. Well, I took it in there and they were like, "Oh, we reset the head unit and it sounds great now." I get it home. It's like, "No, you didn't. It's still garbage." So I had to pay $150 to install new speakers, which I did myself, which is fine. But bull flag here, waiting, bull flag. Wow. That seems almost unbelievable. Might be more here. We're just under $4,000 on the day. Best pads, Akabono ceramic. Yeah, look into that. In my eyes, I was like, well, you know, I kind of like the idea of having genuine Toyota parts on my car. You know, when you buy a Toyota, you get sucked into the Toyota fanboy club. And I kind of got sucked into it. I love my 4Runner. It's a simple vehicle. It's a simple vehicle, but I trust it. I'm going to keep it a couple years probably, and then I want to get the new 4Runner. I'm going to be patient. I wanted to get it right away, but I'm like, no, we got to get more value out of this one first. Your trading farmer might have money, but he acts like he's poor. It's really the best way to do that. To have money, but to still live poor. I can do it. Some people can't. Some people need that reassurance. Maybe they have insecurities. They need that nice watch. You know, I don't need it. I mean, maybe I do. I don't know. I don't know. That's garbage. I mean, you look at my outfit. I mean, this is an Amazon shirt that I've had for like. This is one of the first shirts I bought when I started making money. I like splurged and I bought like a $15 Amazon essential shirt. Like my wardrobe is still from like high school. I dress up with Crocs. I go out, my hair's not cut. My girlfriend's been, yeah, I'm not going to share that. I'm not going to share that. I don't want to lose any money. Sizu is coming up here. What's it going to do? What? Gotta cut that. Taking a loss there, not a big loss. Going back to Sizu for the break of high day. Are we gonna get it? Yeah. A little bit of topping tail there. Yeah, all 4Runners are made in Japan, and I think the new ones are continued to be made in Japan as well. I like the new. God dang it! I got a rip there, but only was 450 shares. I didn't want to take too much risk there. But I mean, not bad. In at 904, out at 930 in about 1 second. I'm losing interest. I'm losing interest in trading rapidly. Like I'm just like it's already been over an hour. Like I'm not going to be the kid to sit here all day and trade a bajillion, take a bajillion trades. Okay, cool, you made a little bit more money, but meanwhile, I'm out making a life. It's sort of my approach. I used to only trade an hour a day, but then I kind of got sucked into the younger guys coming in, and they would sit here all day and trade all day and make a bunch of money and say, look, I'll do it too. I'll do it too. You think you're so good? I'll do it too. I'll just sit here and trade all day, taking a bajillion trades.